To create LPA schedule, click on the icon and select your start and end date. Then click on Create Schedule. Now if you go in your tasks, you can see the created schedule. Click on it and then press the Start button to start your check. The LPA checklist will load your list of questions and you can fill in your findings on any device. If not okay, task needed, you can add your comment in the text box. The field will expand if needed to accommodate your text. Complete the rest of the questions from your list and click Next. When you click on Report, you will be able to see the results of your audit in this fully customizable template, safely stored on the cloud for future references. In Tasks, you can see the updated status. Check the overdue tasks for anything overdue. In the calendar, you can see the audit schedule and the layer. Again, all of this is fully customizable from the questions to schedules and much more.